Okusimoku kwakorera ishomero rya Kizoba Girls Secondary School mu district ya Bushenyi bwayima yabeji Benata na mukaga kwihayo A, abeji 1222 kwihayo B, kandi C ehirwa yabeji Rwenda makumyana.
It is a sign that you are connected to your Creator. Friends, whenever God gives you anything, appreciate it. Gratitude flows from recognizing God's unshakable kingdom.
Kizoba Girls ribire rya kabiri mu district ya Bushenyi mpango yona kandi ryakwata umwanya gwana na mushanjo mu ihanga ryona kandi kucishikiro mu rujungu edini n'amashomero ga science bakwata umwanya gwa mwenda mu ihanga ryona. Kuljira hari mukuru w'ishomero rya Kizoba Girls Dr. Catherine Wajira kutandika n'umwaka gurukwija buri mweji naje kushomeswa computer kandi atunje baroha ku rwa Bishop Stewart University.
We enroll for the course in ICT, and at the end of the 2 years this student will be able to graduate with a certificate. We have partnered with another university, with the university, this is Bishop Stewart, which awards us with certificates.
Bamombeji abasotagwize bibuzo nibajyango kwegesa emico emirungi okutina ruhanga no kugira abashomesa abari kubatwariza nk'abazire kibasingwize.
And I thank the teachers that put all effort to make sure that we pass, and we are really happy and very proud of the grades that we performed. I thank the headmistress for the undying support she has provided unto us.
Gasha kwa mai kwa tuachiri.